Welcome to Bowie Pumps of Canada Limited's instructional video series. This video will provide step-by-step instructions on how to disassemble Bowie's line of advanced combo-style seal and bearing design pump, the Dura-Seal. Before conducting any service work to your Dura-Seal pump, it is essential that you wear proper protective equipment and conduct your work in a safe and clean working environment. Disassembling your Dura-Seal pump can be done with a combination of standard tools and a few pump-specific tools which are manufactured by Bowie. These are available at your nearest authorized Bowie dealer. For this project, you will need the following: an imperial socket set, flathead screwdriver, internal snap ring pliers, 8-inch outer bearing puller, Bowie end cap removal tool, Bowie bushing removal tool, Bowie bearing removal tool, Bowie seal remover, hammer and punch tool, safety gloves, protective eyewear, and steel toe boots. Do not proceed to work on a Dura-Seal pump if you do not have all the tools listed in this video, or if the tools that you do have are not in good working condition. Make sure to put on all safety wear prior to moving the pump into position and commencing work. Do not attempt to move the Dura-Seal pump without the assistance of another person and/or proper lifting equipment. Dura-Seal pumps are designed with 4 rapid access bolt-on end caps to make repairs and maintenance a straightforward task and much less complicated than on industry equivalent pumps. To make partial repairs more efficient, the Dura-Seal is designed so that you can repair components in one end cap without removing the other 3 end caps. As you can see, the front and rear of the idler and the rear of the drive shaft are equipped with matching short end caps. This ensures the disassembly process is identical for each. The front of the drive shaft is built with a long end cap containing unique internal components. This requires a different disassembly process, which we will discuss later. Before beginning work on any portion of the pump, ensure that the pump is drained by removing the 3/8-inch drain plug from the end plate. Dura-Seal pumps may be used to pump hazardous substances. Ensure that you flush a Dura-Seal pump that has recently been used to pump hazardous substances and only work on a Dura-Seal pump in a well-ventilated, secure, and safe space. Let's start with the removal of the short rapid access end caps. First, unscrew and remove the bronze-threaded end plug. Then, remove the end cap and drive shaft snap rings using a set of internal snap ring pliers. Next, remove the 6 socket bolts around the end cap. Using a Bowie end cap removal tool, separate the end cap from the end plate and pull the end cap off the gear shaft. Now, remove the bronze spacer from the gear shaft. Depending on pump wear, the bronze spacer may remain attached to the end cap. Don't worry, it's okay either way. At this point, you are ready to remove the O-ring and lip seal from the plate-facing side of the end cap. Using a Bowie bushing removal tool, remove the cross-hatched aluminum bronze bushing and high-load capacity bearing from the inside of the end cap. That is it. If necessary, repeat these steps to remove the other short rapid access bolt-on end caps. Now we will show you how to remove the Dura-Seal's long rapid access end cap, which houses the drive shaft. With a set of internal snap ring pliers, remove the snap ring. Unscrew the set screw in the lock ring of the drive locking bearing. Using a hammer and punch, insert the punch head into the lock ring to loosen and then remove the lock ring. Depending on how it was installed, the lock ring will be loosened by turning either clockwise or counterclockwise. Next, remove the grease fittings from the sides of the end cap. Then remove the 6 socket bolts around the end cap. Using an outer bearing puller, remove the end cap from the end plate and pull off the gear shaft. Turn your attention to the end cap and remove the O-ring from the plate-facing side of the cap. There are a total of 7 lip seals in the long end cap, 5 Viton lip seals located in the end cap, and 2 high-performance lip seals secured in a cartridge-style housing. Depending on wear, the housing may or may not remain in the end plate when you open it. So remove the drive seal housing from either the plate or gear shaft. Then, remove the bronze spacer from the gear shaft. As mentioned earlier, the bronze spacer may remain attached to the end cap. Next, remove the 2 lip seals and 3 O-rings from the drive seal housing. Take your Bowie bearing removal tool and separate the main drive and inner drive bearings from the end cap. Using a Bowie seal remover, detach the 5 remaining Viton lip seals from the end cap. Next, we'll show you how to remove the Dura-Seal's end plates, wear plates, and gears. Once you've taken off both end caps, remove the 2 hex bolts from one using a 3/8" socket wrench. Insert 2 assembly pins into the open bolt holes, then remove the remaining 10 bolts. Next, remove the end plates. This can be done by using 2 3/8" by 1.5" threaded bolts to push the end plates away from the pump housing. If necessary, you can use a punch to dislodge the 2 dowel pins from each end plate. Remove the wear plates from the housing or end plate. Then, separate the gaskets from the housing, wear plate or end plate. These gaskets should be discarded and replaced with new ones. Repeat the process with the remaining plate. At this point, we are ready to remove the gears from the housing by pulling the shafts or gears out of the gear assembly. Dura-Seal pumps are designed with floating gear technology. Due to wear and operating conditions, the gears may or may not easily slide free from the shaft. Grease or lubricant may be required. Your Bowie Dura-Seal is now fully disassembled. Take the time to inspect and clean each of the parts. To help lower maintenance costs, Bowie's Dura-Seal pump series is designed and built with high-quality parts that are resistant to wear. When it's time to reassemble the pump, the following components can generally be used again after cleaning and damage inspection. Additionally, center housing, wear plates, gears, shafts, and other components may be reused after cleaning and damage inspection if displaying minimal wear. If any parts are showing excessive wear, contact your authorized Bowie dealer for advice and direction on whether they are safe for continued use in the pump. That's it for today. Thank you for purchasing a Bowie Dura-Seal pump, and thank you for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Because they are built to outlast and outperform, we are confident you will get several years of dependable use out of your Bowie Dura-Seal pump. Before reassembling your Dura-Seal, we recommend you watch the next video in our series, Reassembling a Dura-Seal Pump.